So my dollar is inside this card. Hi, welcome back to my channel guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Holy. Guys, in today's episode I'm going to talk about how to buy a stuff from a cruise ship. What is the stuff I'm talking about? The stuff means ta-da, 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 and so many other stuff, guys. So basically I want to say how to buy your regular toiletries, how to buy a drink from bar, how to buy a smoke, everything, etc, 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 etc. So I will show you how to buy, because on the ship you cannot use cash. So you have to use your card. Now what card is used? There are two types of a card you can use. One is your normal credit card, which is given by the ship, and another one is the most important one is your Lemonix. So I will show you in this video how to put money in your Lemonix, okay? But what is the use of your Lemonix? Guys, this card, the Lemonix, is very important on the ship. This is used for login and log out. This is used for your door key. This is used for everywhere else. So I will show you how to put money in your Lemonix, and then you can use your Lemonix to buy stuff from the ship. Alright, without wasting time, let's start this video. Well guys, this is my ID card. So all I have to do is put my ID card, insert, okay. This is the machine, the chaos machine which I was talking about. Okay, now I have to take this dollar and put it over here. You can see three options over here. Top up, exchange rate, mini statement. I want to top up right now. So what I'll do, I'll take this $1, click on this. First I need to put the dollar.
Top up first.
Top up.
Yeah. Note.
Now put the dollar. You see the dollar went inside. Okay. Now you can see it is been top up. Okay. All I have to do after that, just click finish. You can see here it is there, and now click finish. And don't forget to return the card. So my dollar is inside this card, and now I want whatever I want to purchase, I need to purchase from this. As I told you before, on a ship you cannot use cash anywhere. If you want to buy anything from the bar, alcohol, water bottles, beer, whatever you want to buy from the ship, you need to use your card. That's it. So if you like this video guys, please subscribe to my channel. I keep making short videos for you and giving a little information about the ships. So bye from Cruising with Holy.